Hi, it's Annelie. Today I'm just going to play around in the studio and I just want to work a little bit on this jelly plate of mine. I've got a new roller, so I want to see what it's going to do. Let me just grab the stencil. Just want to pick up all the paint in between. Oh, I wonder if this doesn't want to come out. Let me just check. A little bit of gold. I don't know if that's too much, but we'll see. Oh no, this is ugly. But we'll use it for something else there. I'm going to try a little bit of my turquoise on. I'm going to try the stencil again. Okay, that's a little bit better. Well, I'm just going to try a little bit of my beige and my gold. I left it for a minute. Okay, there you have it. This is the same colors as this, except I used red here. So, but I think I like this one more. I like a grungy look, so I don't want it to be too perfect because I use it in my backgrounds in my art. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like and subscribe and hit that bell, and I will see you next time. Have a lovely day.